Hello everyone and welcome back to Ben Academy. In today's video, we're going to learn one of the simplest yet most powerful tools in Microsoft Excel, the Format Painter. And before we start, a quick shout out. This topic was actually requested by one of our subscribers. So thank you for the suggestion, and if you also have any topics you'd like me to cover, make sure to write them in the comments below. I read all of them and they really help shape future videos. So let's get started. Have you ever spent time formatting a cell, changing font size, color, borders, alignment, and everything, and then needed to apply the exact same style to other cells? Instead of repeating all those steps again and again, Excel gives you a much faster solution, that is Format Painter. So what is Format Painter? Format Painter is a tool that lets you copy the formatting from one cell and apply it to another cell or range or some cells, separate cells in the spreadsheet instantly. Where to find it? Let's show you in the Excel environment. In the Home tab, in the clipboard area, you can find a brush like this, Format Painter. It looks like a paintbrush icon, as you can see. And I will show you how to use it and what's the application of Format Painter. For example, let's say we have a cell that is nicely formatted. For example, this cell, Format Painter as text. And if we bold it and also make it italic and use a border and also a color for the cell, you can see that it's nicely formatted. You can also apply wrap text, and if you decrease the size of the cell, you can see that it's actually written in two lines. You can make it center in the horizontal and vertical direction. It's fully formatted, and if you want to apply it to another cell, for example, let me write some other things here. Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word, and also Ben Academy. These are some cells, and you can see that the length of the text are bigger than the cell widths, and they don't have any format. Let's also change the font of this cell. That is not the default font of the Microsoft Excel. If you want to change the format of other cells like this, to change the font, change it as bold and italic, and also apply the color and wrap the text and also make it center and apply border, it may take a long time for you. First, you have to be sure that the source cell is selected, and you want to apply the format of this cell to other cells. So after selecting and going to Home tab and selecting Format Painter, by one click you can go and click on another cell that you want to apply that format to, and you can see that it's changed. The font is changed, it's bold, italic, and also a border is applied, the color is changed, it's wrapped, and it's set as the center of the cell in vertical and horizontal direction. But column width or row height is not applied to this. Only formatting is changed, and the content of the cells are also not changed. So you need to change the width if you like to adjust the width of the text. What if you want to apply the same formatting to several cells separated in worksheets and not exactly in the neighboring cells? For neighboring cells, it's easy, and if you click on Format Painter, you can apply it to some range of the cells by clicking and dragging. So all these cells have the same format as source cell. But if you want to apply to this point and this point separately, or some other points in your worksheet, it's another topic, and Format Painter has another application in this case, and you can use it with double click. If you again click on source cell and instead of one click use double click, you can apply how many times you want. For example, one time here, another time this cell, that cell, and any other cell in worksheet that you want is changed, and the format is adjusted according to the format of source cell. If you want to exit this Format Painter for every cell, you have to click on Escape or again click on the Format Painter. I now click on Escape button on keyboard, and you can see that it's stopped. So again, you have to adjust it according to the length of the text in every cell. This is extremely useful when working with large datasets. So in this way, you could see that you could also use Format Painter for cells that are not next to each other. With double click on Format Painter, clicking on different cells one by one, and then press Escape when you're done. And another important tip is that, remember, Format Painter only copies formatting, not the values or formulas. So your data stays the same, only the appearance changes. When to use Format Painter? This tool is especially useful when you want consistent formatting across your worksheet, or you are preparing reports or dashboards, or you need to quickly clean up messy formatting. It saves time and keeps everything looking professional. So that's Format Painter, a small tool with a big impact on your productivity in Excel. Again, this video was inspired by one of our subscribers. Thanks again for that, and thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful and helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. And if you have any other topic suggestions, write them in the comments. I'd love to cover them in future videos. So see you in next ones.